Taff Vale project has 3 buildings. Building C is going to be a community building run by Rhondda and Taff Council. Building B is going to be office let. And Building A is going to be the headquarters for Transport for Wales. We looked at Gripple as an alternative to the traditional rod and uni-strut system. So we're using Gripple Fast Trak in buildings A, B and C, predominantly for the containment throughout.
One of the issues that Briggs and Forrester had and Kevin and his team had on site was in Building C, the lack of steelwork to actually suspend things from. So we were able to use the catenary system to basically bridge the gaps which a normal system of a traditional method wouldn't have been able to do.
Using Fast Trak system on this project has saved us quite a bit of time on the install. There's about 120 brackets in total for the containment system. That was installed in a day. Also from a health and safety point of view, it takes away a lot of the cutting and also head strikes as well when you're working above the system because the whole system folds up neatly inside the brackets.
Our technical team have been able to help Kevin and his team at Briggs using the BIM model that they supplied us. We were able to then design the system around everything that was in place, making sure that there was no clashes with any other services and ensuring that all the bracketry fitted in the correct areas. We then helped through things like toolbox talk, where we came down, delivered a series of talks to the guys, their installers on the actual product, made sure that they were comfortable to use the product, so every time it was going in, it was being installed in the correct manner.
So from initial inquiry, Dean has been very helpful. We've got drawings over very quickly, they've been colour coded, so they've been easy to distribute to our site team, easy to follow. I would recommend Gripple to other users and I would be interested in using it again on future projects, definitely.